today is... What's today? Easter.
Easter.
You want to go see what the Easter Bunny brought you?
Yeah, I said he brought me choo-choo train.
Oh.
And a hat.
Okay.
And a hat for a choo-choo train. Come on.
Look, Kyle, over here's yours.
Oh, look how cute.
Let me see. What is it?
It's a car, camper, and a paper sheet. Look, Kyle. He ate your egg. He ate.
Let me see it, Brandy.
He ate it. Yeah, Mom. And look what he got me. Fruit by the Chewies.
Fruit by the Chewies.
He got me 3 of them. I'm trying to juggle. Whoop, whoop. Find your eggs and open them.
Brandy, what did he bring you?
This? It's a purse, Mama. This?
Let me see your...
This one. And I'm going to show you what's in it. Some more of these. Oh, it's one of those finger thingies, but it's chocolate.
Oh, that's cute.
Ring pop.
Let's see what you got. What else is that behind your basket, Kyle? Look behind the basket. By the wall.
Yeah, it's a baseball. And a baseball glove. I'm going to show Nanny this too.
All right.
And Uncle Will. Yeah. Mama, Francis, can you open this so I can eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. I just have to leave,
Y'all-
choose to open this so I can candy.
Go get a little butter dish and put it in. Brandy. Look here.
He's good. You what?
He's shaking it too.
Look at that one.
God. Come this way now.